Mr. Griffin, you were a married man who had a 2-year affair with your wife's stepsister, the defendant. You say that relationship produced a daughter, but Ms. Richmond claims you are not her daughter's biological father. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your other daughter, Lakeisha, is here to support your claim. Ms. Richmond, you admit to the affair with Mr. Griffin, but say you are positive the plaintiff is not your daughter's biological father, and you plan to prove that in court today. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And so how do you end up having an affair with your sister's husband?
Not thinking, just being wild at that time of my age, and just not caring about anything. I can admit to that. I'm trying to fix it for her now.
Mr. Griffin, I have to ask you now. I mean, you a married man, and it's bad enough you sleeping around outside the marriage. But your wife's sister?
That was an honest mistake, Your Honor, but at the same...
Wait, now there wasn't no mistaken identity. You knew it was your wife's
I
sister.
understand. No, I'm talking about me doing what I did.
Was it an honest mistake or a dishonest mistake?
Dishonest mistake. Mm-hmm.
How long did this mistake
It lasted, I'd say, about 2 years.
Yeah. 2 years?
About a year. I know a year.
This wasn't no mistake. This was a decision.
Exactly.
Okay? Hey. So...
The case involves 32-year-old Tykia Richmond and Mr. Griffin, who for years believed he was her biological father. The matter began when Griffin, a married man, had a long-term relationship, about 2 years, with his wife's stepsister, which resulted in the birth of a daughter. Over the years, the daughter, Tykia, was never informed of her biological father's identity, and her grandmother and mother provided incomplete or conflicting information. Mr. Griffin, until the time of the trial, avoided acknowledging his actual role due to shame and the complexities of family dynamics. Initial DNA tests were conflicting. Some indicated to Griffin that he was the father, while others told Richmond that he was not. Complex family relationships and paternal secrets meant that for 32 years, Tykia's true paternity remained unresolved.
So for 2 years, you were sleeping with your wife's sister?
Yes.
Regularly?
Yes.
Often, very often.
Without protection?
Without protection.
These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read as follows. In the case of Griffin versus Richmond, when it comes to 32-year-old Tykia Richmond, determined by this court, Mr. Griffin, you are not her father. 32 years of thinking you were this woman's father.
I'm just gonna have to help her find it because I got names for her. So whatever I gotta do to find her father, I'm just gonna have to continue.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Legal analysis and key points of the case. 1. Right to know parents and determine biological identity. Under child protection laws, individuals have the right to know their biological parents. Concealing or providing incomplete information can have both psychological and legal consequences for the child. 2. Legal consequences of extramarital relationships and financial support. Even if the relationship is illicit, the father or mother is still obligated to provide financial support for the child, unless a definitive test proves that they are not the biological parent. 3. Importance of DNA testing. The case demonstrates that conflicting results or lack of official documentation can cause years of confusion, highlighting the crucial role of the court in confirming biological parentage.